In this video, I am going to talk about the full detailed video on the course of a game development course and all detail you what is need to be from basic to advanced that and all the type of course and how to get a job and how will be placed and there are for lots more question will be asked. So let's start our the discussion on the web development game development up man. So first of all I will try to cover the from understanding the basic of an game development, why what is the game development, and try to cover the from A to Z and how to do it. So when you for a game development, when you come in talk about the uh, development related query or any more product related program or application that we want to build in our how based on internet we have to learn on the programming language. So when we make an application that is required some language so that we can give an instruction which based on this it can perform the operation or perform the operation when it click on it. So click on it. So game development is when game development is done when done behind in a software that is the name of is called. There are better software which are available on the market. So one is Unity and another is Unreal Engine and one other are engine. So Unity, through which Unity there are various apps which are available on internet. You can see that make on the icon make on Unity. When you open a game, I am giving some example of a Unity app which are cartoon character or app cartoon app that we build, which is used to made on Unity. So when you play in a game so it has interface showing your the interface that it is made with Unity. So if you are interested to know how it build, so let's watch this video until the end so that you get more insight of the video and make a career on this. So let's start our discussion. So Unity, there are various challenges based on this. Most of the cases are most of the developer use the Unity game to develop Unity app to develop an app and game through which you can make your first game. So we have understand what is the Unity game. Now it is time to talk. Now when we go to the Unity app, it is mandatory to that we have to oh since we have to perform play our game. When we want that when we play our game, it always when you play if you there is always hardly someone that who have not ever played a game. Then to play the to perform the game what we want. So if you have ever run the speed car driving test, or then you can obviously see that car when you open the car, then there are is a less button so that you can switch your car and drive your car on the mode. So that is the based on the performance. For this we have to write in a script for which oh it can give the instruction of what we can want to perform on the game. Based on this our game is designed. Now we have understand what is the game development, and now let's come into this. So for game development you have to it is mandatory to know the basics of an programming. So there are various language through which you can develop in a game. So the main top choice of a game of a language which and a game developer or Unity engine developer are mainly use C Sharp, C++, and C Sharp, Python, 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 and JavaScript through which you can make an game. Now, to learn the JavaScript and the program, uh, program, you have to buy. Uh, you have to if you are the beginner of a program, or if you are engineer or learner or which has a command on this program, then for in the case of for a project you can do a game, make a game, so that you can start your own game development. So now it has gone to the talk about the game development and a lots more. Now here we come into the topic. Now what is the demanded job and what is the most case. Well, before the talking about this and how we learn the programming language. So if you are in a if you are if you are about those who don't know about the basics of an coding and a program. Oh, what this I will recommend you to learn the basics of C Sharp, C++, or C Green. And after that you can go do a project from a YouTube, which is there are various YouTube channel or course base which are available on internet, through which you can do your project as you have finished your or base learning of in a core Java, learning of a programming. Suppose if you have learned in a Python, based on this you can make a fast Python game or write in a script which is used, or the language that you use will be learned, that will be used in your game to make your game or game. So it has talk about it will take a time over 3 to 4 months. I am 4 months to learn a code and make it fast code. When you start your first code, I will make another interesting video on the how to start your coding journey. So let's focus on this. So now let's talk about the salary. So when since game developer is one of the premium job in the IT sector or software engineering sector, so it has demanded top or demanded job in the field, through which you can make an good amount of money, through which you can give your best and get earn. So there are various websites. Now we will now talking about the jobs through which you can earn. So if you want to be as a professional game development or game developer, then want to see as a game developer, then you have to earn a certificate to apply in your company, or if you have a experience about that, or if you have a making a project based on this, and you can show this project that I have made on it, and there are lots more view lots more download about the project in your, or you can make a you can make a course, so you join as a course of an certified, join as a game developer for a learning of a game development, then you can join as a start your career as a game development. So approximate salary of is I will 67 lakh. So the, based on this, since it is the value of a salary is depend upon the market, in which market you are studies. If you do a freelance jobs, so there are other sites. Since I have talking about the daily basis of a program, now it when we come into the online market, it give you the freelance project. So if you go to the Fiverr, then it I think it give you 10 to the most high payable job in your IT sector. So that's your this the when you start as a game development, if you are an expert on game development, and then with the time you can make an AI can project. I can make you how you to work to charge any money on freelance. So there is, so I think you got the idea about the freelance and know about the about game development. For more video, do like, share, subscribe now to get any more informative video about the Funny Bazaar ka mathematical now. Okay.